Okay, so get that. You guys sent us some info on ElevenLabs, right? And we were like, whoa.
Yeah,
Hold on, we got to dive into this.
for sure.
You've probably heard of ElevenLabs. I mean, everyone's talking about their voice cloning tech. It's insane.
It's pretty wild.
But get this, it's not just about voices anymore.
It's true.
They just announced, like November 18th, that they're building full-blown conversational AI agents.
Yeah.
Like, whoa.
Yeah, things are getting really interesting over there.
It's a whole other level, right? Like, what does it even mean to have a voice AI that you can actually talk to?
Exactly.
So this is where you come in, because I got to be honest, my brain is kind of exploding over here.
Sure. Yeah, no, that's a very natural reaction.
Help me out here.
So basically, ElevenLabs has taken these amazing AI voices, and they've combined them with some serious tech to create AI agents that can hold a conversation.
Okay, but like, how does that actually work? I mean,
Right, so there are three main parts to this whole system.
okay, yeah, me.
First, you've got speech to text. This is how the agent hears you. It takes your spoken words and turns them into text.
Gotcha.
Then that text goes to a large language model, or LLM for short.
Ah, the brains of the operation.
Exactly. The LLM is what allows the agent to process the information, understand what you're saying, and then come up with a response.
Okay, so it's like listening and then thinking.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Just like a human.
Yeah. And the crazy part is that these LLMs are getting really good at understanding context and having natural sounding conversations.
So that brings us to the final piece, right?
Right.
How does the AI actually talk back to us?
Right. So that's where ElevenLabs' specialty comes in text-to-speech.
Ah, I see. So they take the LLM's response and turn it back into speech using their awesome synthetic voices.
Precisely. And that's what makes these agents so unique. They sound incredibly realistic.
It's mind-blowing. And hold, did I read this right? You can actually choose different LLMs for the AI agents.
You did. That's one of the most exciting things about this whole platform.
Okay, so like, why is that such a big deal?
Well, it's kind of like choosing the personality of your AI agent.
Whoa, I like where this is going.
Each LLM has its own strengths and weaknesses, right? Some are better at creative tasks, others are more analytical.
So if I want an agent that's like a brainstorming buddy,
You might choose something like Gemini.
and if I need help writing a super professional email,
Maybe GPT-4 would be a better fit.
wow, it's like having a team of AI experts at your fingertips.
Exactly. And you can even choose LLMs based on ethical considerations, like if safety and bias are really important to you.
Which they should be, let's be real.
Absolutely.
Okay, so all this is already super impressive, but then there's this whole other layer, the function calling thing.
Right.
Explain that to me like I'm 5 because I am not getting it.
So basically, function calling lets you connect your AI agent to other apps and services.
Right.
So think about this. You're talking to your AI agent about an upcoming project, and it can access your calendar, schedule a meeting for, you pull up relevant files, even do some research online, all through voice commands.
Hold up. So I could be like, hey, AI, schedule a meeting with Sarah for next Tuesday and pull up those sales figures we were talking about.
I mean, just do it.
Yeah.
Mind officially blown.
It's pretty amazing, right? It's like having a super-powered personal assistant.
That's not just about convenience either. It's about efficiency and getting things done faster.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is the kind of technology that could change the way we work and interact with information.
Okay, so to recap, ElevenLabs is doing some truly groundbreaking stuff here. They're moving beyond just voices to create AI agents that can have real back and forth conversations. And the level of customization with voices, LLMs, and app integrations, it's insane.
Yeah, the possibilities really do seem endless.
So where do we go from here?
That's the big question, isn't it?
I mean, these AI agents are clearly super powerful, but how are they going to impact our lives in the long run? Will they become our collaborators, our assistants, or something else entirely? Honestly, I think we're just scratching the surface here. This technology is going to evolve so rapidly over the next few years, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it all unfolds.
Yeah, that's a great point. And it's something for all of us to think about as we navigate this brave new world of AI.
Absolutely. The future is coming, whether we're ready or not.
Deep stuff. Thanks for breaking it all down for me.
Anytime.
And thanks to you all for listening and sending in your questions. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next deep dive.
See you next time.